Respected my class in charge and my dear friend, first of all I would like to say very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Anshu.
Myself Anshu from proud 9th C class today in front of you for mastering the concept. Today we are going to solve some numericals related to science chapter. Chapter name is atoms and molecules. Today we will learn how to solve the number of moles from these numericals. So first of all you must have the knowledge of mole. What do you mean by mole? Mole is a concept of quantity in terms of mass and number. This concept relates the mass of a material to the number of ions, atoms or molecules present in it. Let's move to the symbol of mole. The unit of each physical quantity has been given as a standard symbol. For example, gram is denoted as G, kilogram is denoted as kg, Newton is denoted as N. The unit of mole is mol. So if we want to represent 1 mole, we will write it as 1 mol. Let's see. This is the unit of mole. We will represent this 1 mol. This is about the unit of mole. Let's move toward the numericals. Before solving number of mole, we must know the formulas to find out the number of moles. We will apply two formulas to find out the number of mole. Let's see. First formula will depend upon the mass of the element. We will represent mass by small m. Then is molar mass. Second will be molecular, and we will represent molecular mass by capital M. From this, the formula to find out number of mole is small m divided by capital M. This represents mass of the element, this represents molecular mass, and this is used for number of mole. This is our first formula to find out number of mole. Our second formula depend upon the number of particles. Number of particles, we will represent number of particles by capital N. Second will be Avogadro number. Second will be Avogadro number. We will represent Avogadro number by NO. So from here, the formula to find number of mole become N is equals to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. These are the two formulas to find out the number of mole. Let's move toward our numerical. This is our first numerical. In this numerical, we are given 52 gram of helium atom. So here mass is given, and I have told you that we will represent mass by small m. The unit of mass is 52 gram. Second, we want molecular mass. Second, we want molecular mass, and we will represent molecular mass by capital M. We have to find the molecular mass of helium atom. You all know that. What is the atomic number of helium? Atomic number of helium is 2. Mass number of helium is 4. And the unit for mass number is unified. So molecular mass of helium is 4 unified. Let's apply our formula. N is equals to mass divided by molecular mass. Value of mass is 52 gram and value of molecular mass is 4. By calculating this equation, we will get the number of mole. Our answer is 13 mole. From first numerical, we get our number of mole, that is 13 mole. In this question, mass is given 52 gram, molecular mass is 4 unified. We calculate number of mole and we get 13 mole. Let's move toward our second numerical. This is our second numerical. In this numerical, 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of helium atom is given. Number of particle is number of particle, and we will represent number of particles by capital N. It is given 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23. Second, we want Avogadro number. Avogadro number. We will represent Avogadro number by NO. The value for Avogadro number is fixed, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Let's apply our second formula here to find number of mole, that is N is equals to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Number of particle is 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Let's calculate this. After calculating this, we get our number of mole 2 mole. From this second numerical we get N is equals to 2 mole. In this numerical number of particle is 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23. Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Here we apply our second formula to find number of mole, that is number of particles divided by Avogadro number, and we get number of mole is equals to 2 mole. Our next numerical for calculating the number of mole is 12 gram of oxygen gas. Let's write what is given in this numerical. Mass is given. Mass is 12 gram of oxygen gas. We have to find molecular mass of oxygen gas. Molecular mass. We will represent molecular mass by capital M, oxygen gas. Now, you all know that atomic number of oxygen is
8.
Mass number of oxygen is
16.
Mass number of oxygen atom is 16. In this question we are given oxygen gas. It is not given oxygen atom. So we will break this. It will become 2 into oxygen atom. As you know that oxygen mass number of oxygen atom is 16, we will multiply it by 2. So our answer become 32 unified. Molecular mass of oxygen gas become 32 unified. Let's apply our formula. N is equals to mass number divided by molecular mass. Mass is given 12 gram. Molecular mass is 32. From this we get our answer 0.375 mole. This is our answer. We get number of mole is equals to 0.375 mole. In this question mass is given 12 gram. Molecular mass we find of oxygen gas is 32 and we apply a formula. N is equals to mass divided by molecular mass and we get the answer 0.375 mole. Our next numerical is 20 gram of water molecule. In this numerical we are given mass of water molecule, that is 20 gram, and second we will be given molecular mass. We will represent molecular mass by capital M. We have to find molecular mass of water. So we will write water chemically H2O. So we have to find the molecular mass of H2O. First of all we have to break it. When we break H2O, we will get 2 into H plus 1 into oxygen atom. 2 into H. H is a symbol for hydrogen atom. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Mass number of hydrogen is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into mass number of oxygen atom is 16. From this we will get our answer, that is 18 unified. Mass number of water. After adding the mass number of hydrogen and oxygen, we get our answer 18 unified. Molecular mass of water is 18 unified. Let's apply our formula. N is equals to mass number divided by molecular mass. Mass number is 20 gram and we find molecular mass of water is 18. After calculating this, we get our answer 1.11 mole. This is the number of mole in our this numerical. Here mass is given 20 gram, molecular mass is 18 unified of water molecule, and we calculate number of mole by the formula mass divided by molecular mass, that is 1.11 mole. This is all about my topic. I hope you understand how to find out number of mole. Thank you and have a nice day.